Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and plan support 5G, because if either lacks compatibility, nothing will work. Once confirmed, update the phone OS and carrier settings so the radio firmware and profiles are current. Make a quick backup in case you need to reset. Next, enable mobile data and turn off Wi-Fi to force a cellular connection, and watch the status bar for the 5G icon. These immediate actions begin the switch and expose any obvious blockers. You now change the network mode inside your phone settings. This is the core action. Go to Cellular or Mobile Network Settings and open the preferred network type menu. Choose 5G/4G/3G Auto for wider compatibility, or pick standalone 5G if your carrier supports it for lower latency. Save the selection and immediately restart the device to force a fresh registration with the tower. Once rebooted, the phone negotiates bands and may switch to 5G where coverage and SIM profiles permit. You finish by verifying connectivity and addressing problems methodically. Check the status bar for the 5G icon and run a speed test near a window or outside to remove indoor attenuation. If 5G never appears, toggle airplane mode, reboot, and reinsert the SIM to force re-provisioning. Make sure the APN settings match carrier guidance. If that fails, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and supported bands. One key troubleshooting tip: test a different 5G.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.